In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple devices from your Google Play Store. Now, here's the thing, whenever you sign in on a new phone, tablet, or even an emulator with your Google account, it stays connected to the Play Store. You've probably noticed that little arrow icon next to the install button when you try to install an app. If you tap it, it shows you all the devices linked to your account and lets you install apps on them. But here's the problem, even devices you no longer use, like old phones or emulators, still show up there. And that can lead to confusion, or worse, installing apps on the wrong device. So, what's the fix? We need to remove all those old and used devices from your Google Play account. But here's the catch, you can't actually do this directly from the Play Store app. Don't worry though, I'll walk you through the step-by-step method. I recommend clearing your browser data first, just to avoid signing in with the wrong Google account. Now, open Google Chrome on your phone and log in with the same account linked to your Play Store. Click on your profile picture. At the next page, tap on Manage Your Google Account. Now click on the Security tab. Scroll down to the Your Devices section. Then tap on Manage All Devices. Here you'll see a complete list of every device linked to your account. Select any device you no longer use, and then click Sign Out. Do this for all the devices you want to remove. This makes sure those devices are no longer tied to your Google account. Okay, now that we've cleaned up the account, let's deal with the Play Store itself. Open your browser and go to play.google.com. Click the profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Library and Devices, then select the Devices tab. Here, you'll see all the devices linked to your Play Store account. On mobile, you won't see the Remove option, so switch to desktop mode. Now you'll notice a checkbox next to each device. Simply uncheck the ones you want to hide. That's it, those devices will no longer appear in your Play Store. Before we test, let's do a quick cleanup. Go into your phone settings, clear the cache and data of the Play Store app. Now, let's check if it worked. Open the Play Store app, tap your profile icon, and go to Manage Apps and Devices. Under the Sync App to Devices option, you'll notice it now shows no devices synced. When I click it, no list shows up. Perfect. Also, when I try to install an app, that little arrow next to the Install button is gone. That means we've successfully removed all those extra devices. And that's it, you've now cleaned up your Play Store account. No more unwanted apps installing on the wrong devices.